In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook leads to N8N. So first things first, you can head over to n8n.io and then from in there, you should be able to see in here some integrations that you can use. Some of those integration is the Facebook lead ads trigger with 500 plus apps and services that you can do. So if you do not have an N8N account first, what you can do is you can just click onto this get started, or if you already have it, just head over and click on sign in. So in here, you can scroll down and you can see the popular ways to use Facebook leads ad trigger integration. So this is an example of that. So with this, you can automate course registration leads from Facebook ads to click this. So for example, click onto this right here and you can see it in action through this part. So what you can do is you can just click onto this use for free option. When you click on this right here, you can see this for the use template. You can copy this template to a clipboard using your JSON, or if you're already hosting some already with N8N, you can open self-hosting installation documents. So it depends on which one you actually want to use in this case. So we have in here the self-hosting N8N. So you can see in here how you can actually configure this particular part of your document in order to do it for this. So for example, you can also copy template to JSON and then add it to your N8N workflow canvas. For example, I have in here my own N8N. You can go over it here to your workflows. Click onto this create workflow and I have in here my own canvas that will load. Click on this add first step and then choose in here some nodes. So let's search in here for JSON and then you can see in here some options right there. Click onto this information extractor. So it typically depends on which you actually need for this. You can choose the schema type as well as the items that will exist and also the settings for that and as well as some other options and you can head over and execute this step. So that's how you connect Facebook leads to N8N. Hope we help.